This podcast was made with a voice generator. Today, we are going aboard my imaginary boat. Let's go to Eau-de-Robec Street at the number 185 to share with you the unusual story of this house. Built at the corner of Eau-de-Robec Street and Ruissel Street, this house was successively a draper's house, a wedding house, and finally a museum. Indeed, originally, that is to say at the end of the 15th century, this house was occupied by a draper, that is to say a merchant or a cloth manufacturer. Logical, you will say, because the stream, the Robec, located a few meters away, was once occupied in large numbers by drapers and dyers. Then, at the beginning of the 19th century, this building became the house of marriages because many more or less legitimate and more or less ephemeral unions were celebrated there. Finally, after restoration, in 1984, it became the National Museum of Education. Moreover, this museum, which exhibits a large school heritage, is free, so take advantage of it.